Hi, I'm Ilocano and I am proud being Ilocana. I speak Ilocana when Ilocano act. Then why they said Ilocano is stingy or kuripot. Kuripot nga ba ako? So, it's simple. We just know how to spend our money wisely. Yes, that's the difference among the others. Why they call mostly Ilocano is stingy people in the Philippines. But when you go and visit to our place, the reason why we are kuripot or we being stingy is you will be surprised. Ilocano culture are known for being hardworking, appreciative, simple, and determined. Tama nga ba tayo mga ka-Ilocano? Then many people say, why Ilocano are so rich? Is it because we are stingy or kuripot? Mayaman nga ba tayo mga ka-Ilocano? O dahil mga kuripot tayo? Shoutout sa mga ka-Ilocano! Naimbag nga daw tayo amin! God bless, God bless! Pero bakit sinasabi nila ang yayaman ng mga Ilocano? Kasi kuripot tayo. Hindi tayo mayaman. Kuripot tayo. Tama ba?